And today we're back here with the special video. And you guys know that it's night and I gotta go to bed while posting this video. But we're gonna drive through now with my dad and mom to the McDonald's in day 16. Yep, day 16. 1 to 16. So let's just get into the video. Wow. I didn't know it was early to go here. So let's just get the key and open. Oh shoot, it's raining. What do you want, Marcus?
Hindi yung pasalita. Sometimes
Yo, I'm sorry for Milo. I left him alone. So let us get our car. Let's do the orange one.
So words. Nakakatawa lang sa class yun. Yung time na yun.
Where's the orange one?
Tapos punta kami na Bulacan yan.
You know what? I'm just gonna paint the car orange.
Naligaw pa kami, hindi kami sa ABS nakarating. Sa BGMA kami nakarating.
There we go.
Oo, magkanapit. Timog, tas Norato.
Shoot,
Pinagtanungan pa namin talaga, guardian ng...
Yo, we're doing it.
Tinanong namin kung saan yung papuntang ABS. Tapos tinusong naman yung guardian. Okay naman. O, di nakarating ka. Nakarating na kami. Audience entrance yan. Audience entrance. Audience entrance nga talaga ay...
You were driving to McDonald's.
32. Nabilang mo ha, 32 kami.
Yo, this is a McDonald's. We're gonna drive through. Whoop, whoop. Womp, 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 womp. Womp, 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 womp. Womp, womp, womp. Let's go! Okay. We're in the drive-thru. Where's the drive-thru? Okay, here's the drive-thru. Yo.
Para sa akin lang na toast. Parang meron pala si God na gagamitin talaga ng tao.
Okay.
Para mapunta ka sa sitwasyon.
Yo! Can I get the whole menu? I'm sorry, that's not allowed. Are you rich? I'll share it with everyone. Please. Please. Okay. Pull up to the next window. First window. Hey, what's up? That will be $96. I didn't know McDonald's was cheap. What?
Kasi may mga script eh. Pero pag ikaw sa akin,
okay, we'll pay.
Pag sa sarili mo na. Ang adventure na kasi nanalo ako ng elimination, weekly final, semi-final, tas grand final. Tas ako yung naging champion. Nagulat ako.
Ayo!
Kasi
we're going back to the drive. I don't even...
30,000.
That's the wrong way. Shoot, where is it? Ah! Ah!
1,000 yellow.
Yo, this is my journey of Queso. Queso responded to my day 16, so this is the next one. Oops. There we are.
Wait lang.
Yo!
Star City, diba? O umi-Star City ka. So, how does it feel na... Diba? Kahit pa paano nagpapag-painting. Bakit? Di ba pwede mo masyal doon? The Star City po tao yan. Hindi kasi
LOL! What? LOL.
Sabi ko,
Bro got stuck.
Naglilis na ako.
Sabi ko, ito mo na, pagkatapos mong manalo,
We got in the wrong house.
Hindi yung palang panghukay ah.
yung...
Oo, ganun. Mother ko, tapos mga kapatid ko, tapos yung mga kaibigan ko. Isang band kami. Kasi lahat ng mga contestant, may mga...
There's so many police cars. What?
Tapos pag uwi namin, nilibre ko sila. Food trip kaming ganyan. Tapos nung gabi, may uso pa nun yung music warehouse eh. Sa Balita.
Chat.
Tapos sinrate ko sila yung parang Thanksgiving sa akin.
Chat is...
Victory party, something ganun. Tapos yung may banda pa nun, may disco.
Chat, what happens if
Then,
that car is stuck and then it follows in the edge of the map?
Number lang, tumutumo.
Yo, W Santident. W Santident, bruh.
Yun na yung kinabukasan.
Okay, so gets ko na, nung nanalo ka, biglang tinext
We just opened the chat.
Premiere Live.
We opened the chat.
Hindi. Bukas. Kunyari.
We got the whole McDonald's menu. Look. Yo, I'm smelling some jazzy juices. I'm smelling some jazzy juices.
Pinapaluwas ako.
Yeah. We're smelling some jazzy juice. Right? Alright, chat. Are you ready?
Sabi sa akin.
Bro, are you ready to try the McDonald's menu?
Sabihin sa kanila, secret lang eh.
This McDonald's menu smells... This McDonald's menu smells good! Right, guys? Right, everyone?
Oo, hindi ako magsasalita.
So let's just...
Ginaganon ako ni...
Let's just open the McDonald's menu. Would you want to try some Milo? Wow! 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 It sounds like he does not. He don't want. So,
Yung mga ano
okay.
sa buhay ko, marami akong mga
GG.
Tapos,
Yep.
yung journey ko na
Yep, guys.
until now eh, andun pa rin.
Yeah.
Challenge din sa'yo. Yung pumasok ka sa showbiz. Di ba naman? Hirap pala dito.
Yung birthday ni... Favorite kasi niya ako. Gusto
So we open it with Milo.
Parang kahawid ko. Parang gano'n.
And here's what we got.
O, tapos,
Andol ako nasa ospital. Tapos yung nasa stage na, nasa backstage.
Fries, burger, and the jazzy juice. So let's just open this juice up. We're just gonna place it to our bed. And then we're just gonna taste it. Just like me eating when the video ends.
6.5 hours later.
It's the end of the video. So, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Wow!